Hi, today I got a non-functioning electric heater. Given that Europe is freezing, it's good to have these devices in operation. Before I disassemble the heater completely, I will start by opening the brain of this heater. The plastic body of the control is held by the staples, which need to be tapped with a screwdriver with moderate force. The second plastic cover has already separated itself and there is not much underneath, just the power switch, the thermostat and the bimetal temperature switch. It can be seen that around the thermal switch there is a burnt plastic. Specifically this type leaks up to a temperature of 130 degrees, which seems to leave a black mark. But I guess the temperature was higher to burn plastic like that. In order to remove the thermostat, we first have to remove the round wheel. In this type of heater, the round wheel is not held by any screws and is just slipped in. From the sound, it is obvious that the thermostat turns on and off at a certain temperature. Let's get it wired up. I'll get my voltage tester ready. I'm measuring between phase and neutral. For a moment, I'll stop the video for you with descriptions of what's here. Through the thermostat goes the neutral wire. If the temperature is low, it passes the neutral onto the thermal switch, and from there it continues to the resistance coil, which starts doing what it's supposed to do. But our thermal switch doesn't pass the neutral on. I'm still going to try setting the temperature higher to see if it turns off the thermostat to rule out that it may be faulty as well. The thermostat is set lower than the room temperature and the voltage tester shows no response, so everything seems to be working as it should. So let's replace the faulty thermal switch. As you can see, it's not an expensive repair, although it depends where you shop.
Damn!
Learn from the mistakes of others, and even if the temperature switch doesn't work, it can still burn you, so use gloves and ideally with a cloth down cover. Mine rubber ones have started to melt. After plugging into the power supply, finally the neutral passes on through the temperature switch onto the coil, and you can even feel it in the air. All that's left to do is put it back together, and with it I bid you farewell for today. If you like the video, show your satisfaction by pressing the like button. I'll catch you around.